Hi guys, welcome to Blushes and Bling. Please like, share and subscribe. Today I will teach you guys how you can convert any simple notebook into a journal or a planner which will help you get your life sorted. So I have this journal which is from Jimmy Vogue. It's a Korean brand which is somewhat like Miniso and it also sells a lot of stationery. So I have this glitter notebook with me. So you can take any plain notebook for this planner. I've taken some sketch pens here. These are Dom's Aqua sketch pens. Now I'm going to be writing the name of the month for which I'm making this planner. So I'm making this planner for the month of August. For this planner I've chosen a plant theme. So I'm making these small doodles of the plants here. You can choose any theme which you like. For me, August is all about greenery all over. So this is my first page which depicts the month of August. Now we will move on to the first part of this planner, which is the monthly goals. So when you write down your monthly goals here, you have a clear vision what you want to do and what you want to achieve for this month. So I'm just writing some random goals which I have for August here so that I may show you guys how you can use this part of the planner. So like you can choose any smaller goals as well or bigger ones. You can also make a yearly goals as well if you don't want to put a monthly goal into this column. So after I have written down all my goals here, I will use a normal pen to just tick off whatever goals I have achieved for this month. I can use other keys also to delay the goals. Moving on to the second page of this planner, which will be a habit tracker. You know, a lot of times we tend to build a lot of habits and we tend to leave a lot of them as well. So this habit tracker helps you track what habits you are able to easily put it in your life and what you want to leave. So for this also I'm using a nice green pattern for this one as well. So I'm writing my goals here like I'm writing budgeting because I need to fix my budgets every month because I tend to go overboard with them. So I'm writing here and I'm making these small circles here with a red pen, and then I'm making some leaves because I have chosen the theme of plants, so I'm making these leaves. So as soon as you will fill this planner, you will fill this in a spiral form, so it will look like little roses which will complement it. Moving on to the second page here, this is the daily log which you need to fill every day. So daily log helps you with, like, you can write your goals for the day, your task or anything which you want to do for that day. This helps you organize whatever things so that you don't forget. It's also a kind of a reminder or just to plan your day ahead so that you can be really organized and productive for the day as well. And when you will be done with your task, you can also tick them so that you can at the end of the day have a view that how many tasks you have achieved and was that day really productive or not. This is my personal favorite. Every day you can just wake up in the morning and make a easy daily log for yourself just to make sure that you are on the right track. So for this also I'm making ticks and crosses, and you can use other keys as well if you want to delay this. So I'm done with my planner. It's a very simple 3-page planner which will be very easy for you guys, especially the ones who are very busy and they cannot maintain a planner every single time. Want to expand this planner, you can make a mood tracker, also you can make a budget tracker or any other thing as well. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till then, bye bye.